In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create users in Zoho CRM. To get started, sign in to Zoho CRM using an administrator account. This is important because only users with the right permissions can add new users and manage access settings. If you're logged in with a standard account, you may not see the options needed for this process. Once you're inside Zoho CRM, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click the gear icon. This will open the settings area where you can manage different parts of your CRM setup. From there, look for the general section. Inside that section, select users. This is the area where you can view your current users and manage who has access to your Zoho CRM account. Next, click the New User button. This will open a small pop-up window where you can enter the details for the person you want to add. In the first field, enter the user's first name. Then, if needed, enter their last name in the next field. The last name is optional, so if you don't have it or don't need it, you can leave it blank. After that, type in the email address for the new user. Make sure the email is entered correctly, since this is where Zoho will send the invitation. Once the email has been added, click into the next field and choose the user's role. The role helps define what kind of position or function that person has within your CRM setup, so be sure to select the one that best matches their responsibilities. Then in the final field, choose the profile for that user. This is where you decide whether they should be set up as an administrator or as a standard user. An administrator typically has broader access and more control over settings, while a standard user will have more limited permissions. It's a good idea to choose this carefully based on what the person actually needs to do in the system. After you've filled in all the required information, click Save. Zoho CRM will then send an invitation email to the new user so they can access the account and get started. And that's it. That's how to create users in Zoho CRM. If you're adding multiple people, just repeat the same process for each user and always double check the role and profile before saving to make sure everyone has the right level of access.